Good morning, guys. It's Linton here from Greenbox Markets. Welcome to a new week of trading. Should be a good one, expecting a couple moves on a few currency pairs. And then we're also watching the gold price at this point in time. So I'm just going to do the gold price analysis quickly, or follow on from the analysis we did last week. Let's have a look at that. So as we can see here, I initially got into this trade based on a couple structure breaks to the downside, and then the smaller flag here on the 1 hour. As you guys know, that is my entry. So this tiny little retest on the 1 hour to that level, that was my entry for the short. It did spike against me a bit, but it didn't move back within that structure, so I wasn't too concerned, and I'm currently still in this trade. I did say in the analysis last week that we could expect some kind of corrective structure, and you can quite clearly see here that that's exactly what has taken place. So we've got the initial impulse move here with the corrective structure, and I'm expecting the second move to complete to our target down to the downside over here. Let me just draw in the corrective structure pattern. As we can see there, we had 1, 2, 3 waves and a break on the fourth. Now gold loves to do that, so the bigger structure over here was also 1, 2, 3 and then the break. So as you can see, that is quite a repetitive thing with gold. And if we go back to the bigger time frames, you'll see it on bigger time frames as well, right back to the weekly time frame where I've got my initial directions from on gold. So what we're expecting to see is the price break through this level over here, then give another maybe smaller corrective structure and a price move down to our target over there. I'm just going to move it out to a bigger time frame quickly so that you can have a look at how we got our target, and this was part of the analysis I sent out last week. But in break it down very simply, very quickly, we had 1, 2, 3 waves over there in this structure which broke. Then we had, let's go back to, that was on the daily time frame, so let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Then we had the structure which I showed you just now, which was a 1, 2, 3 wave, and it broke. So that was on the 4-hour time frame, and then on the hourly we had exactly the same thing, 1, 2, 3 waves, and it broke. That was my entry over there to get short. So a repeat of that, and there's 3 waves over there, and a break to the downside is what we're seeing at the moment. And our full target is based on the daily time frame. So if I just have a look here at the daily time frame, we can see here that we're expecting this move to complete to that target over there. At that level, that's where we're going to have to watch it and see what the price does in order to check which way we're going to trade. If it does bounce off this level and create a flag and then break that to the upside, obviously I want to be out of my short position and I want to be long on gold. Alternatively, if it does break through there, through that price, form another little flag and keep going down, that is then when I want to hold my short and I want to stay in that short right down to the support area over here. That's the analysis on gold at the moment. So doing exactly what we expected it to do, and according to the analysis I sent out last week. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to move my stop loss a little bit further into profit. As we can see, this corrective structure which formed over here is going to present me my next level of resistance should the price move back up. So I'm moving my stop loss to that level, and I'll follow the price down. When it creates another little corrective structure and moves down, I will move my stop further into profit again. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you found this video useful and you can use this analysis, please give it a thumbs up and remember to share it with your friends so that they can benefit from it as well. That's literally the only way my message is getting out there. And yeah, have a great week trading. Take care. Cheers.